I messaged Andy on Facebook and said, hey, I've just finished media and film studies. I'd love to come intern at Zigzag. I wrote this long ass message and then I saw like the little dots going, like, you know, they're typing back, and he was like, pull in. But yeah, vision boards.
Making money doing what you love is obviously the goal, because if you know what you want, it's quite easy to get it. I think we're quite industrious, but often we don't know ourselves as well as we think we do. But that whole vision board was like, I thought I wanted that stuff. I've done it. I don't want to do it again. So you got to find what you're good at and what you're talented at, and then really like lean into that. And for me, that's writing.